This question is called Card Game, and it says, what is the expected number of cards that need to be turned over in a regular 52 card deck in order to see the first ace? We have to see the setup of the card. So let's say like instead of the cards being stacked vertically, let's imagine them real quick to be placed side by side. So we're gonna have some number of cards and then our first ace, some number of cards and then and then the next ace, some number ace, some number ace, and then some number. We have to find the average number of cards in each slot, and that will tell us the number of cards that need to be seen before the first ace. For example, there can be 0 cards here with a low probability, or it can be 48 cards here with a low probability, and then the first ace, and then the next 3 aces are going to be in a row, right? So you have to see the average number of cards that are going to be in that first gap. There are 48 non-ace cards, and there are 5 slots in which those 48 cards can be placed. And so the average number of cards in each of these slots is 48 over 5, which equals 9.6. But it says this is where it's a little bit ambiguous. It's saying to see the first ace. So if you pull like the first 9.6 cards, you should see the ace. But this question expects you to also pull that ace too. By seeing it, they mean you also pull that ace. So you pull 9.6 cards to like visually see the ace, and then you pull the ace as well to obtain it and like fulfill the question's requirements. And so you pull the 9.6 non-aces, and then you pull that one ace, and so you have 10.6 cards you must pull to obtain that first ace. And that is the answer.